And the second one coming up.
Neat bit of drift again, you see just how strong the wind is up at high level there. Picking up the display line again, very expertly done.
The Chinook fleet considerably upgraded over the years, first from Mark 1 to Mark 2 standard. The upgrade known as Project Julius is bringing all the fleet up to a common configuration. As well, of course, we've got the additional Chinooks, the Marks 4 and 5 that have been ordered. With all the now, ladies and gentlemen, a spectacular roller coaster manoeuvre.
Yeah, it's all very dramatic stuff. I can assure you it's probably just as exciting for the crew as it is for you watching it at the moment.